Hi, I'm here today with the SAMMART foldable laundry basket, and this thing is really cool. You can get them in different sizes, but I think this is enough for most laundry cases. And the cool thing here is that they are collapsible, so let me show you. There, you can easily collapse that, just press down, and then you have this very small basket here that you can easily store anywhere. You can put this under your bed, for example, or on top of the washer if you don't have that much room on top of there. So that's pretty cool. And well, it's very sturdy, so I really like it. It's very sturdy plastic here, and it seems like this rubbery thing here will last me a long time. So I think that's really cool. I just got it, but it's very difficult to push out even. So just hold that and then push that down. So it's still pretty rigid from being new, I think, but it feels really strong, this material. So I really like it. Strong enough to carry anything that you need. So I really recommend.